In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find uncleared and unreconciled transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're an accountant keeping track of monthly finances or a small business owner managing your own books, understanding how to identify these transactions can help you maintain accurate records and ensure your accounts are balanced. To start, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you aren't already on the login page, navigate there and enter your user credentials. Click Continue to access the dashboard where all the action happens. Once you've logged in, look for the option that says QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're in the correct section of your QuickBooks account for handling transactions. You'll be greeted by the main interface designed to make your financial tasks more manageable and intuitive. Next, focus your attention on the menu and select Transactions. This opens the door to all financial activity recorded in your QuickBooks account. From here, point your cursor to the Chart of Accounts, a crucial element in organizing your finances within the application. By clicking here, you'll prompt a list of all your accounts, anything from checking accounts to credit cards and more. After you've entered the chart, you'll want to View Register for a specific account. Simply choose the account you're interested in and then click on View Register. This action will give you a detailed view of all transactions associated with that account, both cleared and unresolved. Now on the left side of the register, notice the filter icon. Click this to open filtering options that will help narrow down your list of transactions. This handy tool makes identifying specific groups of transactions a breeze. Next, refine your search for uncleared transactions. Go to Reconcile Status in the filter options. Here, you're given the ability to sift through transactions based on their reconciliation status. Select Not Reconciled from the options under Reconcile Status and press Apply. This will instantly filter your view to show only those transactions that haven't yet been reconciled. It's a great way to get a quick snapshot of pending items that need your attention to balance your books accurately. By completing these steps, you've efficiently identified uncleared and unreconciled transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you want to ensure that all transactions are as they should be, make this a regular habit, especially before reconciling accounts or preparing financial statements. This method not only enhances accuracy, but also gives you peace of mind knowing your financial records are up to date. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting.